Imagine you getting twice as many leads per day from people who just visited your website after having just seen your company video. How surprised would you be to learn that research shows that using video in your marketing can increase conversion rates by up to 65%? Imagine what a 65% conversion rate can do for your business. You will agree that it is becoming harder and harder for you to get people's attention online. You know that when you watch a video like this video, you will remember most of what you see and hear. Now imagine what will happen to your business when you start generating more sales leads by simply creating more professional videos. By leveraging professional videos, your website will get more web traffic because people are going to recognize you and your brand. By now, you can see that video marketing can have a tremendous impact in your business by attracting more website visitors from your email and social media marketing campaigns. Now you can experience business growth like you want to by attending our video marketing workshop. One of the things you are going to love about attending our video marketing workshop is creating your very own script to attract, capture, and retain affluent clients. You are probably starting to feel excited right now because you can't wait to start learning how to use video marketing to gain more client awareness and visibility. By registering to attend our video marketing workshop, you are well on your way to growing your business. Register now by visiting videomarketingworkshops.com.